This is the Trading Playbook, where the charts do the talking, and every session makes you a better trader. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trading Playbook. I'm your host, Lawton Ho, here with Verified Investing, and welcome to today's Sunday episode, where we talked yesterday about topping tails and bottoming tails. But before I go any further, guys, I would just ask you to please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what TA pattern you want me to cover next. And if you haven't already seen yesterday's episode, go check it out. I explain everything you need to know about what a bottoming tail and a topping tail is, so that you guys can kind of make educated guesses on, not educated guesses, but just analyze charts and find potential bottoming and topping tails once understanding all of that criteria. With that being said, let's get into this week's plays. And we're going to actually, I know I normally do 3 actionable trade setups, but I'm going to do 3 plus 1, right? So 3 plus 1. So let's start with plan A, shall we? And that is STLA. So I said previously, if you remember, that on these bottoming tails, you can enter potentially on a retrace or just as soon as they post. And last week, on Thursday, we had a beautiful bottoming tail on STLA, Stellantis. I 100% absolutely loved this level. This is a huge automobile manufacturers that makes Jeep, Ram, Ford, tons of other ones, down over 56% from its recent highs of basically the year. And then from all-time highs, way down. You're talking 80% down. But on the stock, put in a beautiful bottoming tail. Now, the question is, where could you get in? Because it looks like, hey, this is already pushed back up. Well, you can get back on a retrace to the bottoming tail. A 50% retrace of that entire bottoming tail would be around 531. But I'm going to do something and actually pull a fib. And pull a fib from that bottoming tail to there. And I'll look, and a retrace to that, the 786 would be around $5.42. So these are 2 different levels that you can consider entering along on Stellantis if it were to come back this coming week. Just because bottoming tails and topping tails aren't so common, but these are 2 levels that I would definitely be interested in buying some Stellantis if it were to come back lower. Next one I want to talk about is SiriusXM. Now, this is a potential short because this is a beautiful topping tail. And while SiriusXM is pretty beaten up on the chart, if you look from its lows in February, the stock is up basically 60%, right? And it's retracing to the topping tail basically now, right? And this is a really awesome trade for 2 reasons. One, because you have that perfect retrace around 31.42, and if it ever closes above, guys, if it ever closes above this topping tail 31.42, it's fine. You can 100% stop out of the trade, right? It is close, and you can absolutely stop out of the trade if you like, on a close above, negating that previous topping tail. So this is something I'm going to be watching heading into this week. Very curious to see should SIRI hit that and then pull back, or what ends up happening, or end up negating that, potentially moving higher. The next one I want to talk about is Pepsi. Now, PepsiCo had a beautiful bottoming tail right here, right? And you can see that it did not close below this. So this bottoming tail is 100% still valid. If we take a look at PepsiCo, since its highs in February, stock is down 20% almost. So favoring a technical bounce. If it comes back to this 50% retrace again, I know it hit it this week, but if it does it again into next week, that 136.72 or even 100% retrace, right? Let's say you have a 100% retrace here. 100% retrace down to the basically under 135, you could consider an entry there. Not only do I love this level because the topping tail came at a great time on earnings, our bottoming tail came on from earnings, but additionally, this stock pays a dividend, right? So that means that, and it pays like basically a 1% dividend. So over time, if you were to hold this for a longer term play, looking for a larger move up, you would over time collect money via dividends. So that's definitely something to look forward to. Now, the third play I want to talk about is KHC. KHC had a beautiful bottoming tail there, and this is on the weekly chart. So this is a little bit of a longer term play. The 50% retrace would be down to 2164. But if we take a fib here, then we can say that, okay, the 786 is somewhere around 2218, right? So if price got back down over here, I'll go ahead and delete this. Change this to 2218. In the next couple of weeks or so, right, this is going to be my bonus. This would be a potential level to look to go long on KHC. Now, I know some levels are closer than others, but that's generally what you like to see with bottoming tails and topping tails. It's difficult to just boom right away see an instant topping tail or bottoming tail on the weekly, on the daily to get in. But that doesn't mean there aren't potential bottoming tails and topping tails intraday. For every single one of these stocks and all of these methods that I am consistently talking about and teaching about, guys, you can use them not only on a daily basis, not on a swing trip basis, and even a long-term basis, but also on an intraday basis, whether it's a 10-minute chart or the 1-minute chart. You can always use these TA lessons to sharpen up your skills on all time frames. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, as my name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel, the Verified Investing YouTube channel. Please like it, leave a comment down below. Let me know, hey, I want you to cover this next. I promise I read through all the comments, and I really appreciate all the love that you guys have all showed me on the trading playbook. All right. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Take it easy. Bye, guys. That's the trading playbook. If today's episode was your film study, the principle, the pattern, the framework, the application is waiting for you on Sunday. Real setups, real levels, ready before Monday opens. Subscribe to Verified Investing on YouTube. Saturday teaches, Sunday prepares, show up ready.